Hi you guys and welcome back. Today we're going to do a really fun directional. And what a directional is it's an activity where you have to follow all of the directions. Are you ready? Your first direction is to get the supplies you're going to need. We're going to need a sheet of paper and 6 colors. The colors I've chosen are orange, blue, purple, green, red, and black. So if you want to pause your video and go get your supplies, we can pick up right where we left off. Okay, we're going to start with our black. If you want to open your black marker or grab your black crayon or a pencil, whatever you're using, we're going to touch down at almost the top up here. You don't want to be right over to the side or right up to the top. You want to be right about here. And you want to make a line as straight as you can, almost all the way to the bottom. And you're going to do it on the other side too, almost all the way to the bottom. You want it to take up almost all of the space going from top to bottom. And then you're going to go from this top to this top. And this bottom to this bottom. And you should have a really large square on your paper. If you feel like you need another try, go ahead and pause the video and then you can join back in when you're ready. Otherwise, let's keep going. We're going to divide this into 3 sections. To do that, I want you to use your eyes and estimate. We're going to use this top line for that, and we're going to make a little mark part way over, and then another little mark part way over. Do you see how there would be 3 sections? Once you get your little lines where you want them, take your marker and you touch down and draw a line all the way to the bottom of your square. And do it over here too. And you should have 3 sections. If you need a little bit longer, go ahead and pause the video. Otherwise, we're going to keep going. We're going to do that on the side as well. So again, I want you to use your eyes, and I want you to make a little mark and a little mark. And when you get them where you want them, take and draw a line all the way over. All the way over. And now you should have 9 squares. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now let's talk about this creation that we've just made. It has a top, and it has a middle, and it has a bottom. That's very important when you're giving directions or trying to go someplace, or maybe trying to create something. You need to know top, middle, bottom. Another thing I want to show you, take your hands and go like this. These 3 fingers, you're going to want to put them down. Which hand has the L in the right direction? Is it this one or is it this one? If you guessed this one, you are right. Do you see the letter L? That's your left. That's the left side of your paper. So if this is the left, this is going to be the right. So now we have top, middle, bottom, left, and right. So when I give my directions, you should be able to follow them easy peasy style. Are you ready? Let's start with blue. Can you pick up your blue color, please? And with that blue, can you find the middle, and make a triangle? The middle. If you chose this as the middle and then went to the middle of it, you did a really good job. You did good. Now I want you to pick up your green. Can you pick up your green? And I want you to go to the bottom left and make 5 circles. If you chose this as the bottom left and made 5 circles, you did a really good job. I didn't say whether or not to color them in, so if you colored them in, that would be okay. The next thing I want you to do is pick up your black color. Can you pick up your black, please? And in the bottom right, can you make 6 X's? If you chose this as the bottom right, you did a good job because it is the bottom. And remember, this is the left, so this would be the right. Good job. Can you please pick up your purple color? We're going to go to the top right and write 2 number 4s in the top right. If this is where you chose for your top right, you did a good job. I would like you to reach for your red crayon or marker or whatever it is you're using. And with the red, I'd like you to find the bottom middle and make 4 C's. If you chose this for your bottom middle, you did a really good job. Can you choose your green color? Your green color. And this time we're going to go into the top middle and write our names. If you chose this as your top middle, you did a really good job. Can you grab your red color? And with the red, can you find the middle, right, and write the letter R? If you chose this for your letter R, you did a really good job. And I have one more color that we haven't used, and that is orange. If you could pick up the orange crayon, please, and find the top left square and color it completely in orange. If you chose this square for your top left to color orange, you did a really good job. And now you'll notice there's one square left. We've done nothing with this. And the final direction is to draw something in there that you love and then use all of the colors that we've used to color it in. If you feel like you need to pause the video for a couple of minutes while you do that, that would be okay, and then you can catch up with us. I'm going to show you what it would look like if you used the proper colors and the proper squares. So this is what it would look like if you followed all of my directions. You would have a square colored orange. Your name would be written in green. You would have 2 purple 4s. This would be a picture of anything you want as long as you've colored with all the colors we used. This would be a blue triangle, a red R. Down on the bottom we had green circles, 5 of them, 4 C's, and 6 X's in black. Again, this was the top, the middle, the bottom. This side is the left, this side is the right. How many of you got them all right? I hope all of you did. I hope you had a lot of fun with this. You could do any kind of activity with this. It's a lot of fun and it helps you learn your directions. I hope you have a good day. Until next time, goodbye.